Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube reaction video. This is Unbeaten Reacts. Welcome back to my channel. I'm the channel host. You can call me Namu. Welcome here. And today again I'm doing another suggestional reaction to one of your comments which you guys suggested. And this was suggested I think quite a few times. So I'm a bit late though. So I was like there were a lot of many different comebacks in between. So I'm a bit late to get to this, and I'm sorry for that. But I'm finally checking this out. Today we are gonna be reacting to 1V's Q featuring Hwasa of Mamamoo. Now I love Mamamoo, as you all know. I have a special playlist made for Mamamoo reactions which you can check here above somewhere. And recently I also got introduced to 1V, which is also again a band, and they're also really talented and really amazing. One of their songs which really struck to me was End of Spring. And End of Spring was the song which I really enjoyed, and it was a really chill and nice song which I loved. But I'm excited for what this collaboration might be, because Hwasa is not exactly chill and not exactly very relaxed. She is very powerful and has a very strong stage presence and strong feel. So I don't know what this collaboration might be. Will it be towards girl crush and towards powerful concept, or will it again be towards vibey and towards really relaxed concept? I have no idea. Also, with the name like Q, you can't really guess anything from the name. So I'm just super excited. If you are enjoying this, please leave a like, please subscribe to my channel for further videos, and please check out all my Mamamoo reactions. If you are a Mumu, please check out my 1V End of Spring reaction. It might be above here somewhere. And yeah, stay tuned for further reactions. I love reacting to everything in K-pop, and especially everything related to Mamamoo. So please subscribe and like this video if you're enjoying. Let's just jump into this. Yeah, let's just jump into this. Let's go. Oh, they have given introductions. Saya, Herin, Kanghyun, Dongmyeon, and I missed one name. Saya, Harin, Jonghoon, Kanghyun, and Dongmyeon. I still don't know the members very much. Ooh, okay. It's quite powerful, but quite soft vocals right now. Actually, it has a pretty relaxed vibe. Ooh, the square frame. Interesting. The only other time I've seen a square frame is in G-Idol's Lion music video. It's not very common. Everything is a bit rap versed and rap flowing. Do they have subs? I don't think so. We have subs. It's really vibey, and it's really fast paced. It's interesting. I like it. Okay, Hwasa comes in the chorus. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. I like the chemistry. Ooh, this is really catchy. This is like the second part of the chorus. Ooh. Okay, Hwasa vocals. Okay. Okay. Let's go, Hwasa. She just looks so beautiful though. Ooh, the rap. Is Hwasa rapping along with him? This sounds so good. This was so good. Ooh. Ooh, the music video is all. Ooh. They're using a lot of different cuts. The square view, the normal view. There was a really short this view, yeah. Ooh, the makeup. Ooh, why are they injured? Ooh. They look like zombies. Ooh. Nice vocals. This is a really good song. This is a really nice song. Wow. It's pretty chill. It's not that powerful. Ooh, yo. The guitar hit me. Oh god. I love a good electronic guitar. I freaking enjoy it. My god, they're so talented. Every one of them. Hwasa and 1V. The chorus is also so addictive. Dun, 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 dun. This part of the chorus is so good. Ooh, the background vocal. Who's that guy? Who's the guy who hit the background vocal? Okay. God damn, God bless. That was nice. The one guy who hit the background vocal in the very end, who was he? Please comment down below who that guy is. He was super good. I did not notice 1V's vocals very much because a lot of the portion was rap styled and pretty much rap based. So it was really hard to distinguish out the vocals very well, especially since Hwasa herself has some strong vocals and such strong vocals. But the end, it was so good. The background vocals, the one he went really high in the background vocal, that was really nice. Of course, no doubt the rapping was also excellent, especially in the second verse after the chorus, the rapping with the rapper from the group. I don't know their names. Please comment up below who that rapper was. And Hwasa, both of them rapped simultaneously, and the chemistry also was so good between them. Of course, since they're under the same company, they might have, I don't know, but they might have trained for some times together, or they might have some past collaborations or past experiences with each other, maybe concert performances, I don't know. But the chemistry between both of them was so good. 1V was so natural with Hwasa. Both their voices sounded really well together, and it really came together well. It was like a really nice dinner, a really nice combo dinner between, I don't know, from MacD and Wendy's together. Anyway, this was really interesting. I love this. 1V, this is the second song that I've heard from 1V, and Hwasa is of course really special to me. She's really amazing, and both of them together, it was just brilliant. This was really brilliant. Love this. If you enjoyed this along with me, please leave a like to this video. Please subscribe to my channel for further reactions from Mamamoo, from 1V, from Hwasa herself. Hwasa's new album is coming out, Maria, so I'm gonna react to that too. So stay tuned for that. Please subscribe for that. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another video. Peace.